In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to configure idle time settings in the StaffViz web application. This feature helps administrators monitor and manage user inactivity by setting idle time limits and defining approval rules. To begin, open the StaffViz web application. From the side panel, click on the Configuration option. A drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select Company Settings. This will open a new window where further settings can be adjusted. Next, navigate to the Tracking Settings section. Under this, you'll find the Auto Time Tracking option. Click on it to access the main dashboard for idle time configuration. Here, administrators can set rules and preferences for tracking idle time for each user. There are several settings available in this section. First, there is a toggle option that allows you to enable or disable idle time tracking for specific users. Then, you can set the duration. This defines how long a user can remain inactive before that time is flagged as non-productive. The duration can typically range from 10 to 30 minutes. After that, you can define how the system handles idle time using the approval setting. You can choose to either accept or reject the logged idle time. Finally, there is the idle to inactive setting. This determines when the system will mark a user as inactive, prompting necessary action. You can select this time from a drop-down with options up to 18 hours. Idle time settings in StaffViz helps improve time management, accountability, and overall productivity. Admins can tailor these settings to match their organization's workflow. So that's how you can configure idle time settings in StaffViz. Stay tuned for more updates on StaffViz.